What's up guys, I want to do a quick video on these fridge magnets that I got from Switzerland in the souvenir shop. So two kind of like battery cell type magnets, or shaped magnets. And yeah, so this is the Swiss Alps backdrop. There's a traditional horn. Is that a cow or a sheep? Can we zoom in? No. That is the marmot. I thought it was a gopher. There's a train, the boat. I guess, is that the St. Bernard dog? I'm not sure. The dog. With the house, trees, yeah. So it's kind of nice. And then this one is two cows with a Swiss flag in the shape of the heart, and they have funny faces. And yeah, that is it. Just wanted to show you these. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and join us on Discord. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.